Maybe it's that gym membership you barely use anymore, or that music streaming service a friend talked you into. Suddenly, your bank account looks like a scene from The Matrix, green numbers raining down, but where exactly is all that money going? This is where Rocket Money comes in. It's like a superhero for your finances, swooping in to identify those sneaky subscription charges and help you manage them. But what if you run into a question while using Rocket Money? Don't worry, because contacting their crack team of support is easier than canceling that magazine subscription you never even read. So, how exactly do you get in touch with Rocket Money? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into your financial rescue mission control center. First things first, Rocket Money prioritizes self-service. They've got a treasure trove of information packed into their help center, which is essentially a library dedicated to answering all your burning Rocket Money questions. Think of it as a financial FAQ on steroids. Now, navigating a website can feel overwhelming sometimes, so let's break it down. Head over to the Rocket Money website and hover your mouse over the Resources tab. From the drop-down menu, select Help Center. Here, you'll find a search bar where you can type in your specific question. Need to know how to link your bank account? Pop that in, and voila! Up pops a clear, concise explanation with step-by-step instructions. But what if you have a question that the Help Center doesn't quite answer? No worries. Rocket Money offers multiple ways to connect with a live person. Option 1, the good old-fashioned email. This is a great option for detailed questions or situations where you might need to attach documents for reference. Just fire off an email to their support team at support@rocketmoney.com. While email is reliable, sometimes you just need a faster response. That's where the in-app chat function comes in. Simply open the Rocket Money app and tap on the support button. From there, you can initiate a chat with a customer service representative who can address your inquiry in real time. Now, let's say you're more of a phone person. Rocket Money understands. While they don't currently offer traditional phone support, here's a little pro tip. If you send an email to support@rocketmoney.com requesting a phone call, they'll often be happy to schedule a time to chat directly. Remember, the Rocket Money team is there to empower you to take control of your finances. So, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, big or small. After all, a financially informed you is a financially confident you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep rocketing your money towards your financial goals.